guys, welcome to this week's episode of our van build. This week what we're going to try to do is get some solar panels up to the top of the van. But one of the challenges in getting to the top of the van is actually just getting up there. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways that I climb up because Katie can't do it. So here's how I get up on the side. Whew. Now I'm up here. And this is how I get up on the back. That way's a little bit easier. All right, so now that I'm up here, I'm gonna try to measure out roughly where all 4 of our Renogy 100-watt solar panels are gonna go to so that we can affix them to the rooftop here, and then we're gonna have to drill a hole later to run all the wires down, which we might actually do through the backup camera. I've seen that that's actually a good way to do it to kind of prevent any leakage. So let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna try to summon the solar panel just by using my mind powers. Here we go. Woo! All right. Just set that there for right now. Crap, I'm gonna need a tape measure too. Let's see if we can get that. Oh, what am I gonna do with this without a marker and some tape? All right, let's get started. All right, now I gotta figure out how to attach them. Okay, so in order to attach the solar panels to the ceiling / roof of the van, we're gonna need some parts. So each of the 4 100-watt solar panels that we got comes with these nice little metal devices. There's 4 of them in each of the 4, so there's gonna be what? That's 4, 8, 12, 16, good math. And they also come, each one, with a packet of self-tapping screws and a packet of bolts to attach the solar panel to the little metal device that connects to the top of the van. So let's see if we can figure out how to put all those things together and get the solar panel attached and secure and watertight.
So, Adam is installing the solar panels right now onto our rooftop. Right up there. And I'm gonna give you guys a little look into what he's doing.
Alright guys, so this may have been pressed for time, but that's kind of the name of the game, I guess. We might be fighting off some rain here in just a second, which is not the type of weather you want to have when you're installing electrical things. But I'm on the last solar panel right now, about to put it on the roof, and then these last 2 in the back, I still have to screw them in. Once we do that, we're going to wire up all 4 of them together in series, and then take it back to right here. Can you see that? we're gonna put it right down through the backup camera so we don't have to drill a hole anywhere in the roof. We're gonna put a hole in the backup camera and then into the van from there. So let's finish that job up real quick here before it rains. That's all 4 of those are on. This, don't need any more. Okay, now I wanna make sure that these cables are out because they're gonna be very difficult to get to after I flip it over. So I want to put them like this so that when I flip it over they'll be coming out into the middle. Which I kind of f***ed up on, oop, I messed up on that one.
Giant.
Gotta get my feet out of the way. There, now all I have to do is screw them all in.
Going up the ladder. Talk to the camera.
Yeah, sure. Going?
Yep.
All right, so right now what I'm doing is connecting all of the cables in series. They have a positive end and a negative end. And we're gonna set this to be A, B, C, and D. So what we have right now is the negative end of this first panel going back this way. So that's gonna connect to the final cable. And then we have the positive end coming from here, connecting to the negative end of here, positive of here, connecting to the negative end of here, positive end of here, connecting to the negative end of here, and then the positive end of here comes out and joins up with the negative end here, and then goes down into the van and into the controller, so then we can charge the batteries. Final negative will connect here. Good. So that's going to do it for right now. We'll talk a little bit more later. See you guys later. Good morning. All right guys, so the last thing that we have to do in order to finish this solar wiring project, and really the whole solar project other than the electric part, which is kind of a big part, there's a backup camera in here around the back, and I have to use a tool. Where's my little bolt spinner thingy? Well, wherever it is, and I'm going to have to go in there and undo it very slowly, one notch at a time. Then bring the wires in the back and run them all the way around to right there so they can come out where our charge controller is going to be. So let's get to that. I found a secret bolt, so I'm going back in with this guy. All right, so now that we got that off, it looks like that the back end is just sort of some sort of like weather sealing material, so you could probably just push a hole right through there. So I'm only gonna need to drill one hole in the top of the plastic and then guide it back in through that hole right there into the van. Aha! There we go. Okay, so that all worked out really well. Backup camera's right here and it's back in. Obviously this light is out so that I can have access to this, but that's only gonna be for a little bit longer because we're gonna run this cable all the way around this little area up here till it comes out here just like this. This is our positive end. I've already ran that. This has money shooting out of it right now from the sun. And let's see if we can get this other one. It's gonna be a little bit of a process finagling it through, but here we go. Ta-da! I'm giving myself a round of applause. I'm very proud. And that completes the install for the solar panels. Everything minus, obviously, wiring these into batteries, which we still don't possess. But we'll get those pretty soon. We'll show you an episode about all that a little down the road. Till next time!